Hello. Hi. Happy to have you back. I'm Patricia Rezzatello, and how are you? Today I'm sharing some of the insights that I've learned over the years, which I clarified and crystalled a whole bunch this fall at InfoSummit, which InfoSummit is the GKIC, one of the GKIC information marketing events, and I was privileged to attend it this fall. So we're talking in general about how you're an infopreneur. If you're in sales, if you're in marketing, if you're in business, you need to be an infopreneur. You need to recognize that you actually are. When people recognize that they are and they can embrace it, then you can really magnify the sales. You can, take your business some amazing places. So at InfoSummit, one of the things that I learned about four million-dollar questions. And we're on number 4, which is your prospect in enough pain to pay for a solution? If your prospect has a painful situation, right? They still have to be in enough pain to pay for the solution for it. Okay? Let's use an example. You're in pain. Okay. You fell, you hurt yourself, right? How much pain do you have to be in to want to go to the doctor and get help with it? Okay. Some of us, we got to be in excruciating pain. You have a broken leg, you're going to go get some help. You're not going to say, oh, I can walk this off. Right? No, because you can't walk off a broken leg. You're going to go and you're going to get some help. If you simply twisted your ankle, you might not. You might be smart enough to put it up and put some ice on it and, get off of it for a while. And you might eventually figure out that you have some other issue that actually caused you to twist your ankle. Yeah, experience speaking here. But of course, this all depends on your pain tolerance, right? The same goes for your prospect. If they're in, if something is really important to them and they're in a lot of pain over it, they're going to do something to fix that. The more pain they're in, the quicker they want it fixed. And typically, the more they're willing to pay for it. I mean, if they don't have the ability to, then they just simply, they can't. But if you have a prospect who does have means and they have a really painful problem, yeah, they want it fixed. And they're willing to pay for it if it's really important to them. So what you want to be able to do is determine how important it is to them. It's so much easier to get a prospect that's in, on the scale of 1 to 10 for pain, right? If they're at a 9, as far as pain, they're going to pay a lot more and they're going to do it a lot quickly with fewer objections than it is to get the prospect to do that for whom this is just a 5. Right? Same thing goes for you when you don't feel well. Isn't this a helpful idea? This is one of the things that I learned in Cleveland. I drove 900 miles to Cleveland. I took a slightly different route back, and it was 956 miles back. Yes, that's a very long trek. I spent 5 days soaking up information on how to build business, how to market business, how to make sales. And I came away with 3 notebooks full. 3 notebooks full of information, notes from all the presentations. There was Dan Kennedy, there was Bill Glazer, there was Rich Schefren, there was Robin Robbins, there was, oh my gosh, there were so many people and so much information. It was just completely overwhelming. So I've taken all this, I took all those notes and I'm transcribing them. And if you want a copy, I am so going to hook you up. No charge. Free. Free. So to get your free copy, hop on over to authorityblueprint.us/notes. There should be a link in the description. It might be below, it might be above the video. If not, you can certainly see the URL right on the video there. Hop on over. This will take you over. Those are free. Go get them now. I'll be back in our next session, and we're going to look at the first of 4 copywriting and or business formats. Ways you can format your business, ways that you can format out copy, writing copy, sales copy. So yeah, that was real good for me too. So hey, I'll catch y'all later. Thanks. Bye-bye. Have a great one.